Stokksnes, often referred to as Vestrahorn, is a stunning headland located in southeast Iceland, near the town of Hofen. It is known for its dramatic landscape, which includes black sand dunes, sweeping beaches, and the iconic Vestrahorn mountain. The area is famous among photographers and travelers for its rugged beauty and is often described as one of Iceland's most scenic coastal landscapes. Here are some key details about Stokksnes. 1. Vestrahorn Mountain. Vestrahorn, a jagged mountain rising up to 454 meters, is the main feature of Stokksnes. It is made of gabbro and granophyre rocks, which give it a striking, sharp profile. The mountain is often called Batman Mountain because of its distinct, dramatic peaks that resemble the pointed ears of the Batman symbol. 2. Black sand dunes and beaches. The area is known for its unique black sand dunes, which are shaped by the strong winds that frequently sweep through the region. The contrast between the black sands, the ocean, and the green tufts of grass creates a striking visual effect. The beach at Stokksnes is often covered with shallow pools of water that reflect Vestrahorn, creating incredible photographic opportunities, especially during sunset and sunrise. 3. The Viking Village. At Stokksnes, you can also find a Viking Village film set that was constructed for a project that ultimately was never completed. The set includes wooden huts and rustic structures that give the impression of an old Viking settlement. This is a fun stop for those interested in Icelandic history or looking for unique photo opportunities. 4. Photography hotspot. Stokksnes is extremely popular among landscape photographers. The combination of the towering mountains, black sand dunes, and reflections from the beach creates perfect conditions for dramatic and surreal photos. Photographers often visit during golden hour or under the northern lights to capture truly mesmerizing images. The area also offers great opportunities for aurora borealis viewing in the winter, due to its remote location and low light pollution. 5. Access and entry fees. Stokksnes is privately owned, and visitors are required to pay a small entry fee to access the area. The fee helps maintain the road and facilities and is paid at the cafe called Viking Cafe located nearby. The area is easily accessible by car, and there's a short drive along a gravel road that takes you to the beach area where you can park and explore. 6. Nearby town of Hofen. Stokksnes is located about 15 minutes drive from Hofen, a small fishing town known for its lobster, langustin, dishes. Hofen serves as a convenient place for travelers to stay while visiting Stokksnes and the nearby Vatnajökull National Park. 7. Wildlife and nature. Stokksnes is also known for bird watching, as the coastal area is home to a variety of seabirds, including Arctic terns. The dunes and marshy areas provide suitable nesting grounds for these birds. The windswept landscape and the often changing weather conditions make the area feel remote and wild, providing a very Icelandic experience of rugged nature. 8. Stokksnes is also an excellent spot for camping, especially if you are traveling in a motorhome or camper van. The area offers a unique experience where you can park near the stunning Vestrahorn mountain and fall asleep surrounded by incredible views. Here are some key details about camping at Stokksnes. Camping at Stokksnes. Motorhome and camper-friendly, Stokksnes has parking areas that are suitable for motorhomes and camper vans, allowing you to camp right next to the iconic scenery. The convenience of having your accommodation on wheels makes it easy to stay and enjoy sunrise, sunset, or even catch the northern lights without needing to drive in the dark. Stunning views. Camping here means you can enjoy breathtaking views of Vestrahorn Mountain and the black sand beach throughout the day. Waking up to the sight of this dramatic landscape and watching the light change on the mountain peaks is an unforgettable experience. Remote and quiet, Stokksnes is somewhat off the typical tourist trail, which makes camping here feel remote and tranquil. The combination of the rugged mountain, expansive black dunes, and the sound of the waves creates a peaceful atmosphere, perfect for an overnight stay. Tips for visiting. Best time to visit. The best time to visit is during sunrise or sunset, when the light is softer, enhancing the beauty of the black dunes and the mountain. Wintertime is also ideal for catching the northern lights over Vestrahorn. Weather considerations. Like much of Iceland, the weather can be unpredictable at Stokksnes. It's a good idea to dress in layers, with waterproof and windproof clothing, as conditions can change rapidly. Driving conditions. While the area is accessible year-round, it's always wise to check road conditions during winter, as the gravel roads can sometimes be challenging in bad weather. Stokksnes is often included in the itinerary for those driving Iceland's famous Ring Road, as it provides a truly iconic and unforgettable landscape. It's a must-visit location for anyone interested in photography, dramatic nature views, or unique coastal environments. If you're planning to visit during your Iceland road trip, it will definitely be a highlight.